Fog lights are low-mounted lights designed to improve visibility in fog, mist, or heavy rain. They emit a wide, horizontal beam that illuminates the road surface closer to the vehicle, reducing glare and backscatter. Using them in appropriate conditions significantly enhances safety. On the Nissan Leaf II, fog lights are located in the front bumper, typically below the headlights. Higher trim levels feature LED fog lights for improved efficiency and durability. The exact position may vary slightly depending on the model year and trim. To enable the fog lights on your Nissan Leaf II, start by ensuring the ignition is on and the headlights are activated. Next, locate the fog light button, usually on the instrument panel or center console. It's marked with a fog light symbol showing a stylized light beam with wavy lines. Finally, press the button. A fog light indicator, either green or amber, will illuminate on the instrument cluster, confirming the fog lights are now on. Disabling fog lights is just as easy. Simply press the fog light button again. The indicator light on the instrument cluster will turn off, indicating that the fog lights are deactivated. If the headlights are turned off, the fog lights will automatically deactivate as well. Some Nissan Leaf II trims feature automatic activation of fog lights. The vehicle's rain sensor detects low visibility conditions like fog or heavy rain, then engages the fog lights automatically. This feature integrates with the ADAS suite for enhanced safety. The automatic activation is linked to the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, providing smarter vehicle control. This connects to Nissan Safety Shield 360 for comprehensive protection. Manual override is always available if you prefer to control the lights yourself. Remember to use fog lights only in adverse weather conditions for safety. Fog lights are designed specifically for low visibility conditions. Use them only in fog, mist, or heavy rain, not as a replacement for headlights. Avoid using fog lights as a substitute for headlights, as this can dazzle oncoming drivers and may violate traffic regulations in many regions. While overuse can slightly reduce your vehicle's battery range due to the power consumption of about 20 to 30 watts per side, LED fog lights and the auxiliary battery system keep this impact minimal. If your fog lights aren't working, first ensure the headlights are on. Fog lights only operate when headlights are activated. Next, check the fuse box for blown fuses related to the lighting system. This is a common electrical issue. If the issue persists, it could be a software glitch or a problem with the body control module. Contact a Nissan dealer for diagnosis and potential reprogramming of the system. Looking ahead, the future of fog lights in electric vehicles promises exciting advancements. One major trend is greater integration with Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. These systems use sensors and cameras to enhance vehicle safety. This could lead to adaptive lighting systems that automatically adjust beam patterns based on real-time environmental conditions, such as fog density or road curvature. Such dynamic adjustments would provide optimal visibility without manual intervention, improving safety and driver convenience. As technology advances, dedicated fog lights might become less common in future EVs, potentially replaced by these more sophisticated, adaptive systems. However, for now, fog lights remain a valuable and reliable safety feature in vehicles like the Nissan Leaf II, providing essential visibility in challenging weather conditions.